Hello, Professor. This is our project that is a risk management with generative AI. This is our teammates Hong Yufu, Xiangyang, and Wen Taodai. And this is the introduction. I use a special computer programming to the automatically find the problem in the code, protected phoneticals from the spot attacks and create reports. This is analysis and reduce security problems, complex risk, and fraud losses, transforming a passive defense systems into the proactive prevention systems, improve the efficacy and accuracy. And this is our evidence. And and the first is the generation AI in the risk managers preventing and fix reviews abilities automatically identifies potentials we learn the abilities like the SQLs and generative fix codes and the development state through the automated and identity and we use the abilities protect predictions using AI. And the next is monitoring companies in the real time analysis code logs of the operations behavior in the conjunction with the LLM to the identifies patterns of complex violations like the unencrypted strings of previous data. And the next is making the development progress better. AI can help write the security test case automatically to penetrations test scripts and make security validation cycles shorter. And the next is a strong defense against the risk managers. The first is all the tensions in engagement provides the press attacks like the fake CEOs by the dictating voice, video, or images. The next is transaction security. Another less real-time video with communications during the finance transactions to the flag supports the fraud's customer identifications matter. And the next is the legal and complex risk. Verify the electronic invoices like the reducing video has not been tampered with the legal disputes. And the next is the implementations recommendations integrate the technology in integration with the develops tool chains to the infrastructure during progresses interface with the company's managed systems like server node GRC VPS. The next is the cost benefit analysis. Compare the cost saving of the traditional manual adding, like code review takes 300-hour projects, and the AI automation just do 20 hours. The next is the make sticks management. GitHub has been used to the automatically generate secure code patterns, reducing common reusabilities by 30%. And this is AI reduced technical reusabilities and compliance risks by the automating code review and compliance generation in the deeps forgery protection in intercaps threat attacks in the real time, reducing data behaviors, fanatics, loss, and reputations crisis. And the next is the reviews model.
This our model and the next we customer personal and introvert and this our first one person and his name is Eugene is MIT student. He wants some activities is about the finance And I think and the challenge he not only has a lot of the conceptual and knowledge and but nothing practical, only construction of success. So and about this problem, we how to help everyone with risk management and the next. And this other student is Peng Xu, and the question is avoiding risk when using application. And I think this challenge is applying risk toward then technology to daily life, and they two people have one different is one person more rich one than other people. So the a little bit challenge and the next. And this our customer poster and information. I think we go get the request and give he how to design target risk managing tools. And the example for the SaaS competence, we use AI help them solve many bug and some risk and directly reduce legal and operational risks. And for student, AI product provides knowledge saving and enhance advice of privatization and avoids financial loss. And this method let us from reactive to predictive. And the next and our two competitors is one is direct and the second is indirect. And the direct is many things same as and the model, and the indirect and for big competent company and the more expensive. And the direct is about more say art, and the small company and for some personal. And the next this hour use the model in our app, and we have basic and the pro and the enterprise. And in the application we use free and slaver and the cloud. And the basic is free and the low cost, and the pro is co-proprietary, and the high value is more. And the next and this way why choose this model. And I think the risk return alignment and the flexible in our many seniors. And the last one is I think he have continued interest can play ability. And we use transfer the risk management for a cost item to a value driven item. And we use data go we use data go to one closed loop. This is from customer feedback, go model optimization, and go risk protection upgrade. And the next is a prototype.
Hello, Professor. This is our prototype. For this one is a wireframe. Go next. Sketch of the our project. Here is our prototype. I will present it. This is my homepage. If you don't have a account, please click the sign up and create an account. Login. This is the homepage of our application, which you can choose many functions. The main function, you should click the plus button like this. I will click show you and show you. That will provide some question for you, and make sure you can grading risk level and click to answer it. Okay, finish them and click submit. That will output a table of the risk level. As you say, that has a green output. So that means your risk level is a low level. Swipe down. That has a generate AI to give us some advice of the risk level. and how to improve your reduce your risk. Here, you can type some questions to AI and ask the answer. So the next button, if you want to know about more knowledge from AI, you can click this button by Premier and agree. We got a three premium for you that has a gold member, silver member, and a freemium. Freemium, that means you don't need to pay anything. Okay, let's back to the homepage. That has many stock of you, and you can click the My List to show you token which you buy. Also, that has many premier that provide. You always also you can click this button to buy a membership for us. The next one, the notice. For the notice, we will mm, notice you which one is the high level or medium level, and this is the low level risk. If you want to successful done it, you can click this button to clear all of this notification. They will be feeded. And the next one is you can click this button to our information stage that will provide many videos and contents for the risk management. Okay, for the next page, you can add a card to buy our membership, or we will management your card to reduce the risk. Let's back to the home page. Next one, you can click this button to top up some money if you want. And this is a profile page. You can click anything. And the last one, you can manage your account and click this logout. Okay, that's it for our prototype. Thank you.